Aadi, you look like a penguin who lost his way. What's wrong?
We have a blood donation camp in school. Many of our friends registered, but the blood bank only needs groups O positive, A positive, and B positive.
Okay, so what's the problem?
We need to manage everything properly. It's a serious matter.
Then why not write a code to check who can donate? It'll save time.
That's a great idea, Gogu. Let's do it. First, I'll take the name and blood group as input. Now I'll check if the blood group is O positive, A positive, or B positive.
Error alert. That's the wrong operator. You're comparing values, so you need double equal instead of single equal.
Oops, thanks, Gogu. Fixing it now. Done. Gogu, what's your blood group?
Electricity positive?
Nice try, but robots don't have blood. It works. Time to show my friends.
You messaged me like it's an emergency. What's up?
Try my program.
Wow, Aadi, this will help at the camp.
All thanks to Gogu.
But wait, I found a problem.
Huh? What problem?
Watch this.
What? That's wrong.
Oh, the lowercase o caused the issue.
I didn't think of that. What do we do?
We'll ask our teacher tomorrow, but don't worry, you did an amazing job.
Yeah, but for now, let's go play.
Ah, yes. The universal kid solution to all problems. Playing.
Get ready for some fun? Watch the latest Aadi and Gogu episode, answer the questions, and you could win an awesome gift hamper. It's super easy. Just watch, think, and compete. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to play. Stay tuned for the quiz and the chance to win big.